This is an introduction video to an app called My Content Channel. Hi, it's Kais from Valotalive here, and today we will be covering the basic features of My Content Channel. This is an application that can be found in Valotalive. It is used by both local and global content managers for content publishing to digital signage displays. This app makes it very easy for you to target content to selected group of displays and to reach your employees. Alright, we are in Valotalive and I'm on the main page. So let's take a look how My Content Channel works. I have already created some apps and I can find them here. So each My Content Channel is one application, and I have created 4 channels for myself already. We have one channel for all our European offices. We have one for global internal communication. We have one for local London HQ communication, and we have one for our production facilities. And if we'll open one app just to see how the configuration works, we can see that, okay, we can brand our theme. You can create a theme according to your brand guidelines, meaning that you can adjust the font types, font colors, background color, and so on. One important feature of My Content Channel is the content managers, so you can give rights to specific persons to upload or post content to this specific channel. It's easy for you to assign rights for new content managers just by adding their email here. And when you have added the person's email here, the system automatically will send them an access link, and by clicking that link they will be directed to the My Content Channel. So I went into my email and clicked my access link, and now I'm here in my content, and I can see all my channels here according to the settings: European offices, global internal, and so on. So if I would like to target content to our global channel, I'll just choose that channel, and I have already prepared my announcement in a PowerPoint slide, and I downloaded that as a PDF, and I will pick it's on my desktop here. Security info update, I will choose that. And down here I can preview how the display will look like, how the content will look like when displayed. I'll just hit send now to post this. It says sending, post was sent. If I would like to post another content, in this case it would be a video, I would repeat the process, find my video. It's a demo video right here on my laptop desktop. Click that. You can preview and play your video here. If we are satisfied with the content, we can just hit send. And there we are, our video has been posted. A third example of posting content would be if I would like to post my image and add some text to the content. Repeat the process, have my image file there, but this time I will be adding some text. So I have added some example text here, and when I'm happy with the content, I can again preview it. And when I add text, the topic and the text, you can see that it reframes our content in a different way, where it shows your image on the left hand side and your text on the right hand side, including the topic and our ingress. If we're happy with the content, we'll just hit send. And as you can see, we have also the gallery where you can see that what are the latest posts that you have published. And if you would like to archive one post, you can do that in here, meaning that it will not be displayed on digital signage screens, but you can still find it in the archive for later use, and you can repost it from there. All right, I have brought my mobile view into the middle of the screen right here, so now you can see everything I do on my mobile. And what I have done now is I have clicked my personal access link from my email in my mobile. So what it does, it brings me right here. I'll choose global internal all, and we have all the same functionalities as we have on the laptop application. We have the gallery, we have the tab for new posts, and we can view the archive. And if I click the gallery on my mobile phone, you can see that we have all the posts that we just did. The post with image and text, our video, I can replay our video if I want to, and our presentation or announcement prepared in PowerPoint and then downloaded as a PDF. And if I would like to post content on the fly, I can take a photo or video using my mobile phone and then just add that, post that, or add some text to the content as well. It's a very handy tool to post content on the fly throughout the day. Some other features that are good to know in my content channel are the languages. As an example, we have support for English, German, Swedish and Finnish languages at the moment, and we will be increasing those eventually. You can, when you're using Chrome browser, you can see this small icon in your URL bar, and when you click that, it makes it possible for you to install my content to your desktop. I have it already installed right here, so you can see it there, and you can fire up my content straight from your desktop or your dock in Mac computers. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe for later videos. And if you would like to learn more about Valotalive, we will be leaving a link to this video for an introduction to Valotalive services and its main features. Stay tuned for more.